12.6 is mode. Okay, this is on page 354, 355. This is one of those lessons where it's fairly easy. We don't have too many of these, but I think you'll like this one. It doesn't require any calculations at all. Just require that you pay close attention to your data set and making good observations and then writing your answer. So what is mode? Mode is the value or values that occur most often in a set of data. So occur just means show up or is visible. So values that show up the most often in a set of data. You can have more than one mode, and you can also have no mode. Okay, so if you'll put them in order, least to greatest, greatest to least, it doesn't matter. It'll just help you to see better if something is repeating. Okay, so if you leave them all jumbled up, it's going to make it harder to recognize your mode, especially in the case of fractions here or these mixed numbers. These are already in order, but if you look at the example in the book, it starts out with them all mixed up, and it's harder to pick out. It's just going to take you longer. So just take a few seconds and put them in order, least to greatest, greatest to least, and then find your mode. So I'm looking through this data set, and I see 1.5, 1.5. I see it 2 times. All the other numbers are only listed once, so this means that 1.5 is my mode. Okay, and that's it. That's all you do. All right, example 2. So they're in order, least to greatest, and I'm going through and I'm looking, and I see 71 twice. And I go through and I see 94 twice. So since they're both have 2, then those are both a mode. So 71 and 94 are the mode of that group. And then the last example is money. I have 850, 3240, 6795, 100, and 599.99. None of those are the same, so there is no mode. Okay, so no calculating, just observing your data and being sure that you do not miss a number when you're selecting.